Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Sispika Nawe. My name is Ngobani Bangata, also known as Baby Q. And today on Sispika Nawe, we'll be talking about izinto ezenzekayo, of course, on social media and izinto that are trending recently. Right? Njengoba nisazi ke uba zininzi izinto that are currently happening all over the world. Uba singathetha ngazo zonke apha, I think ingapheli hour or two. Okay? So masiqale ke siqale ngezokuqala. Eyokuqala esiqala ngayo namhlanje, it's about a show that is loved by almost everybody in South Africa, which is Big Brother. Right. So Big Brother, there's been something that has been going rounds and rounds about one of the housemates, Uthandeka. Right. So people have been talking about the behavior yakhe lately, right, on Big Brother. And siyayazi ke into yobana ngela xesha besafika Big Brother, everyone ebemthanda. I mean, ibininzi fan base yakhe on social media. But currently there's been abantu abaninzi abathetha ngendlela actor ngayo endlini and towards other housemates, right? Okay, starting from into that happened recently, whereby she was rinsing her face kwi-sink yasekitchen kwabe kukhona izitya phayana and evasa ubuso. So everyone was like, hey, man, this is just an odd behavior because what is happening? Why esenza lento? And abantu felt like that was such an untidy thing to do, looking at the fact that kukhona abanye abantu and now bayasebenzisa ezitya, and then yena she was busy rinsing her face phayana. So abantu abaninzi ke have been talking about that, and the fact that uthe xa engabe econfrontwa ngabanye, she didn't see like anything wrong with it. And abantu abaninzi ke on i-fans zakhe on TikTok were defending her on some that is a normal behavior in like other countries. And I think she has something to do with Italy. I don't know if she stays in Italy okanye yintoni le yakhe idibaniselana ne-Italy. And they were like, yeah, asana abroad iyenziwa le nto, because we've seen on TikTok one of Get Ready With Me zezinye influencers berensa iinwele zabo kwi-sink. So it's just a normal behavior to do, okanye yinto enoma abayenzayo laa nto yobana basebenzise i-kitchen sink as indawo yovasa mhlawumbi like intloko or ubuso. So everyone was so disgusted by i-behavior yakhe. And I was also shocked because ekhaya anosukuma ndithatha idish ndihlamba ubuso. Yayibona? So I'm not siding with anyone. I'm not saying anyone was right, anyone was wrong, but esidlula nje kuloo nto. And also people were talking about the fact that she's giving off mean girl energy and mean girl vibes and all that kind of stuff. And also talking about mean girls, pygmies and everything, yonke laa nto. Let's talk about how girlies indlela amantombazana athanda ureacta ngayo when they see people okanye when they see abantu abaninzi. Let's say nikwi-friend group nibayi-3. Of course there is that one friend who's a pygmy, and then nihleli nabanye abantu abanganiqhelanga, abanye abantu abangaqhelanga utshila nani, maybe guys, yabo. So there is that one friend othanda ujongwa ngeendaba zenu. Then she'll be like, kanene chomi, laa mntana wakho ude wamthumelela imali. Of course everyone knows I have a baby, but why uzoyivusa phambi kwabantu? And then like she'll be saying all those things. Ba uyabona mhlawumbi there is a guy eflirta nawe okanye there is a guy that is talking to you, that is eyeing at you, and then she'll be on some chomi kanene ude wamfowunela umxolisi your boyfriend because yamazi njani angafika apha and then enze izinto zibe awkward. No. Like, girl, I know I have a boyfriend, but you didn't really have to raise that. So yeah, man, it had to be easy on social media about the pygmies and about the mean girls. So when Bugeli, what's your take on mean girl and pygmies? Okay, I can't comment on that because I don't have a mean friend. I don't have a friend, a pygmy. Okay, now moving on to ezinye izinto that has been happening. So kukhona i-celebrities mos okanye i-influencers, like ivamise ukwenzeka kakhulu lento ku-influencers, especially the growing influencers, ne, into abathanda uyenza laa nto of dating, ne, so that bezodraw i-attention okanye bapretende ngongathi they are dating so that abantu abaninzi bezobanikeza attention, like that one couple from KZN that I don't want to mention. Or should I mention it? Okay, so Mbugeli, I'm sorry. So Mbugeli wami ikanje lento. So there's been rounds and rounds of influencers zithatha mhlawumbi abantu who are trending at that current period, amthathe and then amsondeze since ebona uba une-following eninzi lo mntu and abantu abaninzi bayamthanda on social media, aqonde hayi man, how about sifike kwi-public eye and then we act as like a girlfriend and boyfriend so that kuzoba khona abantu abasithandayo and attract attention. And then xa sesibonile uba baninzi abantu abasifollowayo, then we can go separate ways. I feel like si-strategy esigrand ne-eso, strategy sisi-right nyanyani, but at some point it gets to a point ne, because uye kuthi xa ziphela zonke ezi relationships, zi-influences ezi-fake, xa ziphela ziye ziphele kahle, we all know that. Uphela kwazo ziye ziphele nge-podcast, people going to podcast, besebemane bethetha izinto ezingekho right ngomnye umntu, noma ethetha ezinye ezingekho right ngomnye umntu, and then ke ngoku omnye uzo-end up seyi-villain kuso sonke esi story, because obviously i-fans ne-supporters don't understand uba istory besiqalele phi, they don't understand uba ithini like intsusa yaloo nto, ukubona. Then ke ngoku end up kusenzeka izinto zobana abanye abantu balose i-following ngenxa yale nto. So there's been pictures of Nadia Nakai noToss going around on e-socials. I think it was a Valentine's photo shoot, if I'm not mistaken. And then they posted that, and then so people bebe nalani ba bebezibuza yona ba ngaba bayi-couple, are they doing it for maybe internet, are they doing it for ukutrenda and whatnot? But really man, aba bantu ba-big boy-two, I don't see isizathu soba bangade badibane bazenze ngathi bayi-couple to trend. And also abanye bebecinga mhlawumbi noba okanye yi-music video, or we don't know, asizazi indaba zabantu, we're just babies, man. Okay, and now moving on to enye into ebendifuna sithethe ngayo namhlanje. Okay, it's i-acting yaseMzantsi. Andikwazi u-actor, zange nda-actor, na-experience no-actor, but kukhona abantu bebethetha ke into ezininzi ngobana ii-soapies ezazikade zimnandi kuqala nezazikade sizi-enjoya kuqala azisekho njengangokuyana, like ii-actors zakhona azisafaki i-effort eninzi in acting, they're just like doing it maybe for the bag now, kukho passion and whatnot. I don't know what you say about that, Mbukeli, but mna I would like to agree ne. But okokuqala enye into endingathetha ngayo yile nto yobana I think isukele ekutheni there was now on Netflix, there was now on TikTok, and people were paying more attention to other things like YouTube and TikTok and whatnot. And then sangabi salifumana elaa xesha lokuye sihlale e-living room with i-families, sibukele ezaa soapie njengakuqala. I think man nokwehla kwee-numbers zabantu abayibukelayo into yenzayo ziye zihambe zikudemotivate, yabo. But I don't think that's a reason, it's a reason that is valid enough for you ubana wehlise indlela obukade usenza ngayo kuqala, and then like usibona i-storyline seyingesiso esiya, like indlela aba-actor ngayo ayiseyiyo leya. So people have been saying that in most years soapies okanye most years series zifaka abantu okanye zinikeza abantu i-role just because people are already known, people are already famous. They are no longer casting ngenxa yobana uyile lo mntu kwi-auditions, sambona ba uyayideserva le role, then samfaka. No, bathi abantu abaninzi ngoku bacinga bana ii-directors zicasta based on how famous or how well connected a person is. Tough, right? Okay, and also sise kule meta ye-acting engekho okanye abantu abangasayithandisisi ncam. I think it's also on my side, I don't know about other people, I think on my side it's also influenced by how people are no longer paying attention to those soapies. I think it's been 4 or 5 years ndingasenaxesha la-TV because kukhona ifowuni mos ngoku, and if we're not watching i-TikToks and stuff, social media, sibukele ii-movies, like akasekho umntu onexesha lobukela ii-soapies. Like nyhani ndiye ndithi xa sendifika e-TV ndiqonda okay ndizinikeze ixesha ngokubana let me go back to my favorite soapie endandiyithanda fantuka, let me just watch ngoku ndibone uba okay kwenzekani, like ithini into. Xa ndifika ndifumanisa uba andisalandeli i-storyline uba kwenzeka ntoni, characters ezininzi andisazazi, like ndi-lost, yabo. Then ke ngoku thina singayibukeli singayilandeliyo, we can end up saying ngabantu abakwazi uact kanti asiyi-understand kwa-storyline, asiyi-understand noba kude kuze kufike kule ndawo kwenzeka njani. I think it's also us not paying attention to those TV shows. It's not every day about how they act. And then my girlies, sondelana apha mantombazane, let's talk about these interviews that are conducted ngaphandle kwe-clubs ebusuku. Abantu sebe-tips, right? Okay, let's talk about that. Okokuqala, there's been interviews that were trending ezenzeka outside of clubs ezithile that are big in Joburg. And sifuna sabe mentioning amagama ke and stuff. Yeah. So kukhona most abafana who going around with cameras, they conduct his interviews and all. I think yaqala i-right lando go interviewer i-celebrities ubana okay, between banbani and banbani, who would you choose? No. It was all nice and don't. Then now it came to i-part yento yokokubana like xa beconduct ezi interviews abantu babuze into yobana apha ngaphakathi, like it's an expensive club obviously, buze apha ngaphakathi wena xa ulapha uyisele ntoni, and then obviously a girl is gonna mention ndisela i-Vev, ndisela i-VS, no, and then abuze ba ithini price yawo. When I tell you that every time kufika la question, I always cover my eyes because I know my girlies are going to disappoint, but andiyazi ba ithini price yayo. Kodwa uyithenga uthi bana it's literally my go-to drink, but akayazi price yayo. Oh God, yabona le ayikho endibulala njengale. Girlies, nicelwa ndim man, from one girlie to another. Cela siyeke ukwenza ezi interviews, yabo. Like umuntu xa approach and camera, run for your life, because if you go watch ezi interviews, like it's a humiliation ritual. Like I don't even want to lie, I kid you not. Like uthi bana it's your go-to drink, but xa ufika kubuza price yayo bayithini, you don't know by price ayithini. Okay, maybe let's say my girl is too rich, akajongi prices xa iswipe. Let's say mhlambi baninzi ku-tab A1, yabo. So abazi ba omnye uswipe ngamalini, omnye uswipe ngamalini. Nami girlies girls wathethelela amantombazana wami. And that's all for today. Apha kwinkqubo yethu Sispeaker Nawe, and also the name of the YouTube channel is Sispeaker Nawe. Please make sure that you subscribe, like and subscribe, and turn off that notification button so that every time kukhona into edrophayo uzayibona. And kuzo zonke social media platforms, it's Sispeaker Nawe. And also you can get your girlie on every social media platform. The name is Ngqobani Mbangata. And then for now, guys, from me, it's a goodbye. Now you all know.